Hi there, welcome to Geek Street. So today is a big day. We've actually received our 100K plaque and we're going to unbox it. So in our studio now, little insight of where all the unboxings are done. And there you go, there it is. So let's get going and unbox the plaque. Okay, so let's do this. So, arrived today, delivered by UPS. So, been waiting a while for this one. Finally here. So the plaque's in the box, covered up the address labels on there. So, comes in a plain black box, coming around here. Nothing there, nothing on the back, nothing there, all there. So let's cut it open and see what we get. Okay, so initially we're presented with some foam to protect the actual plaque. So if we take that off, then we're actually given a letter. So YouTube logo at the top, and we'll quickly read off what it says on there. So you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all the hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. There you go. Okay, next we've got a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. There you go. Finally, the actual plaque. Okay. Just underneath that, before we go on to that, okay, share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. Okay, and there you go. So covered in plastic, take that off. Presented to Geek Street for surpassing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Coming around here. Okay, soft velvet on the back, some mounting points there, and that's it. There you go. Thanks for all the support, really do appreciate it, and let's make some more videos.